Hi, this is Omar from Droop Consultancies, and this is part 3 of our CRM system. Here we will present a quick introduction to the CRM Admin application. This is the user front, to application user front. This is the CRM application. This will be distributed to users in the company, and this is the CRM admin application. This will be used by the administrator. Let us click at the CRM application. You will see a window which says there is no record for this user at the admin page. Please forward the following text to the administration. This is the code that needs to be added to the admin page for this computer. The first part is the computer username. Second part is the computer name, and the third part is a code for the computer hardware. This is not just an extra security. The CRM system has a changed log module. Every change in the record will be recorded, and it will be recorded for the computer name and computer username. Let us click OK. Do you want to send the following information to the admin? Let's click yes, and we will say please add me to the admin page. Click OK, and we quit the application. Let's go to the CRM admin application. As I said, there is nothing being added to the system. This is a fresh system. It says there is no member registered, or there is only one member, therefore you will have access to the system. Please register the following code. You can make a copy of it, of course, but also already this code is available in the system. Now, as it is said, if there is only one member added to the admin, or there is no member added to the admin, then you are able to enter the system. As long as there is two members added to the system, no one can enter it without registration. Let's click OK. We are now inside the admin application. Let's click View. This is the user forward. This is where the information from the codes from users will be collected. Here is the code, but this is from the admin registry. This is the code from the CRM application, and you see please add me to the admin page. We can just click copy. Let us click at View. We will speak about these options in a later video. We are now presenting a basic introductory to the admin application. Let's click at admin. There is nothing at the admin database. Options, add a new admin. For PC personal computer username and personal name, we click add edit, and we'll put the code, and the system will separate values. You see PC username is Omar, personal computer name is work PC. These red stars means that the field is compulsory, it is needed. So if, for example, we click at exit, there is a window saying that one or more of the required field is missing. Do you want to exit without affecting this page, or do you want to stay? We click at stay, and the reason is that we didn't put any value for this field. We click at the red box, and we have a window asking to choose a contact. Now, these 4 contacts are from the system, and we can change the names of these contacts from the CRM application, but at the moment we are choosing 1. Now, the first record in the admin database will be chosen for the administrator. Therefore, is this user an administrator? The answer is yes. We can say no, but we need an administrator. I'll speak about the view general change later. Admin power. The administrator doesn't have the full power at the CRM application. Now you can give the admin power to the administrator or to any user. But here is the issue. If you click here, please note that enabling the admin power will ignore all other settings. Click OK and click yes, and then you need to choose either 10 minute, 30 minute, 1 hour or 2 hour. This means that after this time pass, the value for this field will return back to disabled. We exit and we keep it disabled. Now, these are the privilege related to each database or each module. You can view all databases, or you can choose some databases to be viewed for this user. So for example, we can click some. Let's choose these 3. If here means form. So if underscore contact mean contact form. And actually this represent contact database and contact pages. The contact database is just a form with a list of all contacts registered in the system. A page will give you the view of all data registered for a record in that database. So you have, for each module, you have a database and you have a page. In this case, this user, that is user 1 with the ID 1, is able to see the contact database and contact pages, the company database and company pages, and see in log calendar log. So this user is able to see the calendar database and the calendar log. Let's return back to all. The yellow color means that you can make a zoom. So if, for example, if we click these 3 and we can see it in a zoom window. Now, addition. What the modules or what the database that this user can edit. In this case, he can edit all viewed, but all viewed is all, so he can edit all modules. But we can also choose what this user can edit. This is add new. What the privilege of this user have for modules? Can he add new records for all modules, or he can add new records for some modules? In this case, he has the power to add new records for all edited, but we can control that as well. By default, delete record is none. However, we can change that. We can have the privilege to delete all edited records, or some edited, or none. View change, view general form change, and view general change. Now, the system has a changed log module. This means that any record that is changed, this change will be recorded. Now, the user in this case, in this one, has the power to see all changes that happen to a page. He, the user, is able to see all changes that happen to the database. He, the user, is able to see all changes that happened to the entire system. Export is the power to transfer data from the database to an Excel sheet. This user is able to export data for all viewed modules. For example, let's put all here and some. So we are able to see only 3 modules, 3 databases. If we click here and put some viewed, this is the 3 databases we are allowed to see. And if we put this one, we only allowed to export data for the calendar database and the company database. If we return back to all and we click at some, this is the all we are able to view, and this is all we can export, but we can return back to all viewed. Now add edit extra field, that will be explained in a later video. Backup system, if you click here, yes, it means that user 1 has the power to back up the system. Refresh database file will be explained in a later video. Knowledge base admin will give you more power into the admin, into the knowledge base database. The knowledge base database is about the groups, subjects, and sections. We will not be able to explain every aspect of the system in these videos, but this will be very clear when the user try the system. But as I said, this will give more power to the user to administer the knowledge base database. We click exit, and we have created a record for this computer, that is work PC computer, with the username Oma. This is the end of part 3. Thank you for watching.